To create a credit note in Xero, first navigate to the Invoices section of your Xero account. Click on the New button and select Credit Note from the drop-down menu. This will open a new credit note template where you can enter the relevant details. In the credit note template, start by selecting the customer you want to issue the credit note to from the Customer drop-down list. Then enter the date of the credit note and the credit note number, which will automatically be generated by Xero if you have this feature enabled. Next, add the items or services that you want to credit back to the customer. You can do this by clicking on the Add Line button and selecting the relevant items from your inventory or adding a new item. Enter the quantity and unit price of each item and Xero will automatically calculate the total credit amount. If you want to apply the credit note to a specific invoice, click on the Apply to Invoice button and select the invoice you want to apply it to. You can also add a reference or a note to the credit note to provide more context. Once you have entered all the necessary details, click on the Save button to save the credit note as a draft. You can then approve the credit note by clicking on the Approve button, which will make it available to be applied to invoices or used as a refund. It is best practice to regularly review your credit notes to ensure they are accurate and up to date. You can do this by running a credit note report in Xero, which will show you all outstanding credit notes and their current status. By following these steps, you can easily create a credit note in Xero and manage your customer credits in an efficient and organized way. This will help you to provide better customer service and improve your overall accounting processes.